around a 12-cent move on Friday here for JMIA. You have right around a 23-cent expected move priced in by this Friday. Next Friday, everybody's pricing in right around 30 cents. So we're going to see what happens in here going forward. Two indecision candles back to back on the weekly, both green in here. We are above this upper trend line currently. So if we do gap up and stay above this for Monday's trading session, next resistance up is going to be that 372. Above that, we're looking at the 439s. Now, if we cannot respect this trend line here and stay above it, we actually breach back down below it. First support is going to be that 9-day EMA at 302. And then we're looking at right here, this lower trend line and where this current support is right around the 291 mark. You're going to have a 10-cent channel in here, 291 to about 302 of a little bit of a demand zone in here, possibly. If not, then we're going to be breaching all the way back down here to the 264s. If we dig in deeper here to the daily chart, you can kind of see that this 200 SMA is starting to come back down in here. So we're riding that 9-day EMA. That is good. And also, it's good and bad that the 200 SMA is coming down. Bad news is we're consolidating right here. Good news is once this moving average gets back down here and starts tightening up a little bit more, then we're going to get some better separation so we can get some more directional plays in here. But you can see we're riding that 9-day EMA. It's currently trading at 327. And we are starting to tighten up here on the 200 SMA, trading at 373. That is good in here. And as soon as we start getting some expansion either way in here, or we can get a crossover or under, that's going to give us better directional bias, I guess, on how we want to play this. We are on some good volume here on the daily as well. So that's kind of overall what we're looking at here for the daily and weekly charts in here. You can see that our trend lines, we made them pretty harsh in here just because we wanted to try to see where the stock was going to trade currently in this next upcoming week. And it looks like it's going to be a pretty decent week in here for us as far as technically where everything's shaking up, because it's all going to come down to that 330 area in here. And this week should basically make or break this upper trend line right here that we're currently trading above, but you never know what's going to happen on Monday with news and things like that. Again, we're looking at a 23-cent expected move by this Friday, 28 cents by the next Friday. If you go all the way out to your July monthlies, right around a 66-cent expected move in here. So basically a couple indecision weeks in here, some consolidation overall. Now let's see if we can get some separation on our 200 and our 9-day EMA on the daily chart. Let's see if we can get a different candle rather than two indecisions on the weekly in here, and see if we can get a pretty decent move either way here for ticker symbol JMIA. All right, guys, if you like this video, make sure to check us out on all of our social media. We also have a Discord service if you are interested, and you can find all of our socials in the description below.